everyone, this is Angie Stamping with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is Tuesday and we are doing some quick and easy project today. It is going to be this little treat holder. I have some Kit Kats, the little mini ones in here. I'll show you how they fit in and everything when we get it done. I don't want to take these apart because I am actually using these for my grandkids to stick in their stockings. But yeah, this is what I'm sharing. There's optional things here you can do. You can make it even simpler than it is, but this is what I'm sharing today. I can't believe how close Christmas is getting, and we need to do our last minute things. So the next couple weeks, I'm going to try to do easier projects here so we can get our things for stocking stuffers and last minute coworker things. So yeah, that's what I'm planning. So let's get started on this one. I love this stamp set, and you know it's my favorite, the Christmas labels. So I am using this again along with the dies that go with it. So these are the dies. I have the one pulled out that I'm using. It's this one here. But I love the retro sentiments in here, and this covers everything, y'all. Everything for the holidays. You know, this is basically the one I've been using all Christmas season. I love it. And for the designer series paper, on this one right here, I use the reindeer days. So I use the back of this one right here. You can even cut these out and put them on the front, y'all. There's so much you can do with this paper. And then I use the bells, which is also in the reindeer days. And then for this one, I'm going to change it up, and I'm going to use the take a bow. And I'm going to use this for the bottom part of this one, just to give it a little bit different look. And we're going to use the same sentiment and all that. And I did use our baker's twine, the red and white, and I put a little bell on here just for a little added touch on it, because yeah, I love the little bells. And those I just get at my local craft store. All right, so we're going to do a red one this time. I like to make them a little bit different for each. So I am going to use real red. I'm using the same designer series paper. This piece is 7.5 by 3. And then the matting is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8 and 3/8 by 2 7/8. And y'all, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share, because all those things really mean a lot to me. And also comment. All those things are really important for YouTube. So then you're going to also need a piece of scrap. I have an inspiration sheet on my blog for all my projects if you are new also. So you can go there and you can download it and print it with the measurements on it. All right, so let's get started with this. Let's go ahead. Let's do our stamping first, because I need to cut this out with the cut and emboss. So I am going to still use Shaded Spruce. That's the color I used on the last one as well. And so we're going to use the Merry Christmas to You, because I love this sentiment and it's perfect. And you can even color in this Christmas with a real red blend or anything like that. Even colored pencils. And then this die fits on here perfectly. It goes like that. And I'm going to run it through the cut and emboss and be right back with that. And there you have it. It's quick and easy, just like that. All right, we'll set that aside and we will get going on the box. We're going to need to score the real red piece. So we are going to score this only on the 7.5 inch side. And you're going to score it at 1/2, at 1, 4, and 4.5. That is it, y'all. You can make these super quick. You can even get your kids to help you make these. And you're not cutting anything. We are just going to sharpen the score marks on these. So you can do these in less than 10 minutes, y'all. It's so quick. All right, so to add our goodies here, you can use any of the fun size candy would work in here. I just use my Seal Plus, and I'll run just a strip right down the center there. I'm going to grab some of the Kit Kats. These are the ones that I got. These are more fun to actually give when they're decorated than to just stick them in a stocking. I really like to decorate them. So we're going to just put one there. One there. And it's really fun when the kids are little. They really like to get something a little extra. And we are going to use some Velcro dots. I'll link these in the description. I usually have them linked there in the description anyway, but we're going to use these tiny ones. They work perfect for this. They're kind of hard to find. And this is going to fit here like that. So I'm going to just guesstimate it in the middle here. And then you're just going to press that down. And then I'll pull it up and I'll, oops, let's make sure we get that down there. And press them real tight before you, oops, I forgot to do the matting first. Forgot to put these on after you mat. I'm going to just take that one off because it doesn't matter for this one. Stick it on the side here and we'll mat it. Don't forget to mat it first because, yeah, mat the top one first. So I'm just going to mat that really quickly and then we'll put it back on. I like this on the real red. It's pretty. All right, now we're going to put this one back on. And I'm going to just hook it back onto here. And line up your edges here to make sure. And I'm going to push that up just a hair. And press these down real good so they stay. And there you go. It's that easy. Don't forget to mat though. Almost forgot that part. Well, I did forget, but we made it happen. All right, so this is going to go on the bottom here. I love the striped with it. The stripe. I love that stripe at Christmas. I don't know what it is, and this is so pretty. All right, and then all we're going to do is attach this. These are great for coworkers, y'all. I think I might make extra for my coworkers this year. So, and then I'm going to just grab some of the baker's twine. I'm doubling this up. And we are going to just tie a bow. Doesn't matter what side you tie it on. The other one I did the other side, the other way. So I'm going to tie a bow here. I love the double bows on these. And then we'll clip these. Let's make it smaller. You don't even have to add this. This is very optional, y'all. You can just leave it with just the Merry Christmas and that is it. But you know me, I have to go the extra mile here. And I'm going to grab one of these bells and a glue dot because the glue dot works the best with these. I didn't even double the bow on the other one, y'all. I just looked at that and realized I didn't. I just wrapped it twice. I like it doubled though. Now we're just going to stick the bow, or the bell, right on the bow. I'm going to push it down there tight. Okay, there you go. That's it. You can make these in less than 10 minutes, y'all. Look at how cute. How fun are they? Super easy and quick. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. The 9th of December through the 11th, Stampin'Up is doing free shipping with orders on $75 or more. And also, I am doing free gift with purchase. And I just got the box. What did I do with them? Here, let me grab one really quick. And when you place an order with me, you will get one of these this month. Only for the month of December. This is my birthday month. It's coming up, so I decided to go ahead and do free gift with purchase. Hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Have a blessed day. If you place an order, please use my host code because that really helps for me to be able to do giveaways every once in a while, and I really appreciate you doing that. So I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.